Is airport check-in or online check-in better? Want to skip the worst line in the airport? Here's the truth. For most trips, online check-in wins. Faster, calmer, and you control your seat before the crowd wakes up. Check in on the app 24 hours out. Add your passport, save the mobile boarding pass to your wallet, screenshot it, and head straight to security or the bag drop. That's your time back. But it's not always the play. Use the airport counter when you need document checks, some visas, onward tickets, special assistance, unaccompanied minors, name fixes, complex itineraries, or when you're traveling with pets, sports gear, or oversized luggage. If your flight's been retimed or you're on standby, a human can rebook you faster than any app. No checked bag and a standard route? Online check-in every time. Checking a bag? Still check in online, bag drop is shorter. Either way, arrive with margin because airlines close check-in well before departure. Bottom line, default to online, upgrade to the desk when your situation isn't standard.